today we are going through the next questions of exercise 8.3, question number D of question number first. So in this question, this is the same situation is there. We have to find the amount and the compound interest which is compounded half yearly. So the principal is given 8,000, rate is given 9% per year or annum we can say. So we have to just find the half of it. So the half of 9 is 4.5. So it will the rate for the half year. Now the number of years is given 1 year, that means 2 half year will be there. So the amount is equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 whole power n. So we have to put the values 8,000 plus 4.5 and 100 and n is equal to 2. Now here 4.5, so we have to just find the fraction of the decimal. So 45 will be there. Now 1 0 will be added or into with the 100. So there is only one digit before the decimal, so it will be the denominator will be multiplied with 10, so it will become 1000. Now we have to just to find the simplest form. By dividing by 5 we get 9 and 200. So all the numbers are remaining the same here. Now so 200 will be multiplied with 1 and added with 9, so we get 209 upon 200 whole power 2. So we have to write it 2 times, and here just focus on it. 0 0 will be cut, 0 0 from here also will be cut, 1 0 from here and 1 0 from here, it will be cut. Now 2 is only there, so 2 will divide 8 by 4 times, and here 2 will divide 20, so we get 10, and here 4 will divide by 2, we get 2. Now 2 will divide 10 by 5 times and 1 time, so we get only 209 into 209 upon 5. So when we multiplying 209 by 209 by 209 and divide by 5, we get this number 8736.20. This is the amount we get. Okay, now we have to find the compound interest, and the formula is amount minus principal. So we have to subtract the principal from the amount, and we get 736.20 rupees. This is the compound interest of rupees 8,000 at the rate of 4.5 half year, and the time is 2 half years. So that's all the solution of D number of question number first. So the next question is E number, which is exactly the same. You have to find the compound interest and the amount of the given data which is compounded half yearly. So you have to do by yourself. Now the question number 2. Kamala borrowed 26,400 from a bank to buy a scooter at the rate of 15% per annum, compounded yearly. What amount will she pay at the end of 2 years and 4 months to clear the loan? Okay, so if the given data is compounded yearly and the time is given in the mixed fraction or 2 years and some months, so we have to find the amount for the time which is given in the years and completed time, no, not in the fractions. So for this solution you have to just focus on the given data. This is the principal given, rate is given 15% at the time 2 years and 4 months. 4 months, that means 4 upon 12 months. Okay, so it will become 1 by 3 years. So 1 by 3 is the fraction of 4 months out of the 12 months. That means it is compounded yearly. Now we have to find the amount firstly for the 2 years, then after the amount whatever we get after 2 years, it will become the principal for the next 1 by 3 years. And for 1 by 3 years we have to find the simple interest. So firstly the amount of first 2 years will be A is equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 whole power n. 6400 R 15 and 100 whole power 2, because n is equal to 2. Firstly we are taking 2 years. Now 15 and 20 will be divided by 5, we get 3 and 20. Now it will become 20 1 0 20 and plus 3, 23 upon 20. Okay, we have to write it 2 times. 1020 1020 all will be cut. Now 2 will divide 264 by 132 times, and this 2 will be divided 132 by 66 times. This data we get remaining here, so we have to multiply it and we get this number. So this is the amount for 2 years. Now this is the amount, that means that much money we get after 2 years. So it will become the principal for the next 1/3 years. So we have to find the simple interest for the next 1/3 years. So P into R into T by 100, principal that will be 34,914, and the rate will be same. T, that means time. So 1/3, 1 is the numerator, so it will here, and 3 is denominator, so it will there. Okay, now when you solve all this number, just multiply or divide, we get 1745.70. Now this is the simple interest of 1/3 years, that means of 4 months. Okay, now what is the interest of total? So interest for the 2 years is equal to, we have to find firstly the interest whatever we get after the 2 years. So this is the amount we get after 2 years, and that was the principal. So amount minus principal will be get the interest. Now the total interest, this is the interest of 2 years and this is the interest of the 4 months. So we have to add both of them. So 8,514 plus 1,745.70 will become 10,259.70. So that much amount is the interest of 2 years and 4 months. Now in this question it is asked that how much money she has to pay after 2 years and the 4 months. So that means she has to pay the principal and the interest taken by the bank. So the interest is taken by the bank is total that much, and the principal was 26,400. So we have to add both of them and it will become 36,659.70. That means she has taken 26,400 rupees from the bank, and now she has to pay that much amount to the bank. So that's all the solution of the question number 2.